Rani Ki Vav, the Queen's Stepwell, at Patan, Gujarat, India. Rani Ki Vav, on the banks of the Saraswati River, was initially built as a memorial to a king in the 11th century AD. Stepwells are a distinctive form of subterranean water resource and storage systems on the Indian subcontinent and have been constructed since the 3rd millennium BC. They evolved over time from what was basically a pit in sandy soil towards elaborate multi-story works of art and architecture. Rani Ki Vav was built at the height of craftsmen's ability in stepwell construction and the Marugurjara architectural style, reflecting mastery of this complex technique and great beauty of detail and proportions. Designed as an inverted temple highlighting the sanctity of water, it is divided into 7 levels of stairs with sculptural panels of high artistic quality, more than 500 principal sculptures, and over 1,000 minor ones combine religious, mythological, and secular imagery, often referencing literary works. The 4th level is the deepest and leads into a rectangular tank 9.5 meter by 9.4 meter at a depth of 23 meter. The well is located at the westernmost end of the property and consists of a shaft 10 meter in diameter and 30 meter deep.